President of this valedictory session, Dr. C.H. Mohan Rao. He is also the Director of the CCMB and also the President of AP Academy of Sciences. Chief guest of this program, Professor P. Jayaprakash Rao, Chairman, State Council of Higher Education. Our Principal, Professor B.T. Sita, her Deputy, Professor Mathur Madam, Head of the Department of Botany, Professor Nirmala Babu Rao, delegates, invitees, and students. We have come to the last part of this today's program, that is the closing ceremony. In brief, I will give what we have discussed, and in brief, otherwise I will request one of my colleagues will explain what we deliberated on issues and the recommendations he will give in a nutshell. Actually, we thought of having this program sometime in 2010. After that, anyway, it is a problem for the last 30 to 40 years more so, this is declining in science education and research. So instead of organizing a conference on a core subject in botany or something like that, many people are doing that. We felt better to at least partly address this problem by gathering the information and the recommendations. But after that, we sent a request letter to Dr. Abdul Kalam, former President of India. About a year back, he gave a time during the midsummer, sometime the 15th of March. Our student, 15th of March was last week of May. So at that time, it is very, very difficult to organize a conference without students. I think there is no point in organizing a meeting without involving the students. And finally, on 7th of this month, I received a phone call from his secretary. Can you organize? But he gave the consent to address your conference if you manage to organize on 29th of this month. But hardly 21 days. Can we? Then we discussed ourselves. I discussed with Dr. Mohan Rao and also with our Vice Chancellor. After 2 days, I came to know that is 29th is a holiday. It is a Good Friday. So inviting a VIP and arranging a conference in IICT, it is about 375 capacity. We are a little bit worried, can we mobilize at least, if not 100%, about 300 or 270 delegates. Otherwise, it is embarrassing on the part of the organizers. So finally, we requested the secretary of Dr. Kalam, can you suggest some other date, about 15 days later or something like that. But I can't say now. For time being, if it is not acceptable, that if it is not suitable to you, we will think over sometime in August and September. So finally, we decided to hold it as per the time given by his secretary, that is yesterday, Friday. And after that, we have taken some additional effort to mobilize the people, and we went to the schools, junior colleges, universities, and particularly the education department. We approached the SCRT officials and the secretaries who are looking after the primary education. Rajeshwar Tiwari, Principal Secretary, Primary Education, like that. Dobrial, who is looking after actually is the in charge of the Commissioner Collegiate Education, and he is Special Secretary for Higher Education, to depute some of the principals with the science background. So no, it is a very good exercise. Certainly I will help you by deputing some of the principal with science background. So finally we decided to hold, but till 15th or 16th we hardly received about 150 who responded. They have shown interest to attend this program. But so again still we are worried. Only 150 so far we have received. Actually our problem are otherwise. On 25th night we are getting mail after mail. So actually I am looking after all the arrangements. By the time I go to my house in the night, there are about 40 mails. If I count all the participants number, finally it crossed 2,750. It is not an exaggeration. I will show my mail. 2,750. This is in addition to the guests and other my colleagues in the university and other colleges. So main worry for me is If I won't answer to them, they think that they have accepted all the list they sent by email. So I have taken help from my wife and other things. You go on replying to them. We are not going to accommodate all these people. We know that the capacity of the hall is 375. At the most 400, 450. So I am not only replying, and we are making a phone call. Sometimes they may not have access to the email. So we just, if somebody with the phone number, no, we are not going to accommodate. Please cooperate by not attending this thing. So really, anyway, finally you have seen, despite all screening and all these things, yesterday about 1150 invitees, delegates, anybody you name came, and around 620 managed to enter into the auditorium. Another 350 to 400, almost they are quarreling with the security. No, we will stand, but literally there is no place on the floor, everywhere. But anyway, that is a little bit embarrassing for the organizers. They came all the way from different districts of the state, starting from Vizag, Srikakulam, Karimnagar, Adilabad. But keeping in the other limitations, even security people said, no. Finally, you are in trouble. If something goes wrong in the auditorium or stampede, something like that, you are in trouble. Please cooperate with the security. This is not your job. We are doing our job. Anyway, finally, everything went off well. Sir, there are two keynote addresses delivered by Dr. P.M. Bhargava, founder director of the CCMB. We are very particular in choosing the keynote speaker. Dr. P.M. Bhargava is actually he worked as the Vice Chairman of the National Knowledge Commission. During his tenure as the Vice Chairman, they submitted a very good report to the Prime Minister during 2006 on higher education, more so on the science education. That is the reason we want him as the keynote speaker. The second keynote speaker is Dr. D. Balasubramani. You all know, is contributing for the promotion of the science or as a science communicator. So these are the two keynote addresses by two eminent people. It's just a coincidence. These two are from the CCMB in addition to Dr. C.H. Mohan Rao. And there are 3 plenary lectures. Actually, Professor Hasnain is supposed to address yesterday post-lunch session because of there is some problem. He finally declined just 2 days before the commencement of the conference. Then Dr. K.V. Raghavan, former director of IICT, delivered one today morning a plenary lecture, and after post-lunch, Professor D.N. Reddy. And there are 2 marathon panel discussions, sir. Actually, the purpose of this conference is rather than lecturing one after the other, we want to have a meaningful discussion with all the people associated with the science education. We invited the students from private colleges and government colleges, SCRT officials, lecturers, anybody you name associated with the education, they are with us. Not only the people, even Vigyan Prasad, director, all the way he came from Delhi to address this one. It is a very good exercise, he said. There are about 7 panel speakers in the yesterday's panel discussion, which is chaired by Dr. Mehtab Bamji, former director, great scientist of NIN. Today panel discussion, once again there are 8 panelists. Out of these 8 panelists, 4 are directors of IICT, CCMB and NIN, NGRI, and vice chancellors, Katta Narasimha Reddy from Nalgonda, yesterday Professor Bhagyanarayana from Palamur University, and many others. So this is the overall exercise. As Dr. Mohan Rao said, just we will fine tune all the suggestions made by different speakers and panelists, and we will make a recommendation. Sir, DST people specifically requested Dr. Ramaswamy, you send the detailed report to us. That will be a useful information for them. So I request you to keep this DST also in mind, in addition to UGC and state government officials. Anyway, Professor Jayaprakash Rao is with us. He is overall head of the higher education in the state. So he will also help us. Basically, he is our Usmanian, more so from chemistry science background. So sir, this is a little bit exercise. I don't know how far it is, but it is a small contribution in that direction. I hope with these few remarks, I thank you all for making this program a meaningful exercise. Thank you.
Thank you.